If you cannot get a 0% interest loan, what you want is the very next best thing based on the amount of money that you have to work with. I need you to look at over to the right here, where you can see that their monthly base income is they're bringing in $6,000 in rents on this property. Their monthly debt payment is $3,014. They're taking $2,000 of the almost $3,000 they have left over, and they are investing that money right back into their business. And they're taking 16.4%, $985.82. They're putting that into a bank account so that they can do maintenance and repairs on their building. All right, let me break this down one more time. $6,000 coming in, $3,014.18 in mortgage payments going out, $2,000 of their money that they're bringing in, they're investing in other stuff, and $985.82 is going into a bank account, a reserve account, just so that they can make repairs and do maintenance on their building. All right, so this is what's happening. Based on this information here, this is what we're doing. Here's how much interest the bank wants. $884,974. By the time we get through with this at the P.I.L.L method, telling them to take some of that money that is sitting in the bank account, not all of it, but some of that money that's being put in that reserve account to do maintenance, apply that strategically at certain points of the year, not taking all of it, but just a small fraction of that money and putting it on the debt. All right. And then over the next 2 or 3 or 4 months, building it back up. All right. And then taking some more money out, letting it build back up and taking some more money out. That's what we're doing there. So by doing that, we're cutting their interest cost from $884,000 down to $172,021. And that saves this real estate investor $712,953. That's how much interest they're saving. That is an 81% interest savings. Now, this is the key. They have an 18% interest loan. They couldn't get a 0% interest loan. So we did for them the next best thing. How close can we get to zero if you have an 18% loan? I need you to take a look at this. You would need an interest rate of 4.67% to pay this little amount of interest on a new 30-year loan. So with the P.I.L.L method, you can treat an 18% mortgage like it was 4.67%. Not only make a ton of money on the front end because you're making $6,000 every month and you're only paying $3,000 of it out and keeping the rest, but now you're going to acquire the same property at $712,000, almost $713,000 less in interest costs because we are strategically using the $985.82. Let me show you what one of those payments would do to this loan, and it will make more sense when you see it. So, Miss Ebony, Miss Classy, are you still both with me today?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so here's what we're looking at. I said we took out one of those payments, $984. I'm going to take a look at what would happen if we just took one of those payments out and applied it to this loan. Okay, even if it's just one out of a year's worth. One, $984. So we're going to go down to cumulative principal. And was that 984? No, 985.82. Here we go. $985. This is as close as I can get. 985.72. Look at that. 985.72 knocks off 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. No, 48 months. 4 years. Listen, people, are you seeing this now? I need to know if you're seeing this. Are you seeing this, that you can knock off all of those payments, 4 years worth of payments, and save over $140,000 in interest? Folks, now that you can read this, Does this make sense now to use the money in this way? Ebony, Classy, what do you think?
Yes, it does.
Ooh, she can read it now. So when you see a high interest rate now and you see those tiny principal payments, you're not going to get stressed out anymore, are you?
Yes.
Come on, man. So what we want, folks, we want you to know that don't be afraid of the higher interest rates. You want to work with somebody that knows what's going on with these loans, that can help you. All right. I need you to know that what we're doing here is taking an 18% loan, treating it like it was a 4% loan, because now we're learning how to read an amortization schedule. And this we have not been taught our entire lives. And this is why it sounds so foreign to us. But if you want to get a savings and earnings report, go to ice10k.com, ice10k.com. All right. That is my digital business card. And you will find a button that says get a savings and earnings report. Fill out the information there. All right. Follow all of the instructions. And then we will get that information and my staff will start working on it so that you can find out the month, the day, and the year you could be debt free and how much interest you can save. And listen to this. What can you do now with the interest you would have had to pay the bank? You can invest that for yourself, and a small portion of that interest savings pays for your lifetime program with us. Boom, that part.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.